Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to recover permanently deleted photos on iPhone. So I will just tap on photos simply and scroll down. In the last you will see that recently deleted. I want to just tap on it and make sure you will just use the face ID or the passcode. And here you will see number one thing is that you will just hold it and you will just have to recover it from here. So here you will just tap on it iPhone settings and simply just tap on it your Apple account, and again you will just tap on it iCloud. So make sure you will be just have a full storage to store your erased data on the iPhone. And if you are cool backup, so you will just make sure this one turn it on, these alls. And if you want to just recover it from the permanently deleted data, so you will be just move back and go in the journals, and simply in the last you will just find the transfer or reset. So simply just erase all content and settings, just tap on it as well. And from here when you just tap on it continue, so here you will see the app and data 62.81 GB data has been restored, including the permanently deleted photos also. So in this way you will just have to permanently deleted photos recover on iPhone. So hope this video help you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more.